What's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to connect your APItoolkit account to your Discord server. The first thing you need to do is to log in. Now if you don't already have an account, go ahead and click on the start free trial to create an account. Once you are logged in, select a project you want to connect. In this case, I'll be connecting the podcast test. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the settings tab, click on integrations. As you can see here, we have a Discord integration, and the next thing we need to do is to generate a Discord webhook URL on Discord. So now let's head over to Discord and generate that. Over on Discord, you need to create a webhook URL. Now click on the channel you want to create that webhook URL for and click on edit channel. Now once you click on edit channel, you're going to see integrations here. Click on integrations and now you'll be given an option to create a webhook. Now click on create webhook. And now since I don't have one has been created for me, so I can just click here and you can change its name to whatever you want. Let's call it APItoolkit. Now I'm going to save changes. I'll copy the URL. Now we're going to head over to APItoolkit dashboard. So we want to now paste our URL over here, and then you can activate it and save the selections. As you can see here, this action has been successful. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section.